Types of press tools and their working process. Introduction. Press tools are essential components used in mechanical presses for various sheet metal operations, such as cutting, bending, forming, drawing, etc. These tools shape or cut metal by applying mechanical force. The accuracy, productivity, and consistency of metal components heavily depend on the type and design of the press tools. Classification of press tools. Press tools are broadly classified based on the type of operation in construction, based on operation. Cutting tools, blanking tool, piercing tool, trimming tool, parting tool, notching tool, non-cutting tools, bending tool, forming tool, drawing tool, embossing tool, coining tool, based on construction. Simple tool, compound tool, progressive tool, combination tool, transfer tool, description and working process of major press tools. Blanking tool, function, cuts out a flat piece, blank, from sheet metal. Working, the punch shears the material and pushes the blank through the die opening. The blank is the required part and the remaining sheet is scrap. Applications, washer blanks, coins, gears. Piercing tool. Function, produces holes in the sheet. Working, the punch pierces through the sheet and removes a slug. The slug is scrap and the pierced sheet is used. Applications, perforated sheets, enclosures. Bending tool. Function, deforms the material along a straight axis to create an angle. Working, the punch presses the sheet metal into the V-shaped die to a specified angle. Applications, brackets, enclosures, channels. Forming tool. Function, deforms the sheet without cutting to achieve a required shape. Working, controlled force is applied to plastically deform the material to the die shape. Applications, decorative components, structural parts. Drawing tool. Function, converts flat blanks into hollow shapes like cups. Working, the blank is drawn into the die cavity by the punch, while a blank holder prevents wrinkling. Applications, automotive panels, kitchen sinks. Trimming tool. Function, removes excess material or flash from a formed or drawn part. Working, the punch shears off the unwanted edges after forming or drawing. Applications, car panels, cookware. Notching tool. Function, cuts out material from the edge or corner of a sheet. Working, the punch shears off a portion from the edge of the workpiece. Applications, sheet metal fitting parts. Coining tool. Function, alters the surface or dimensions with precision and detail. Working, high pressure is applied to imprint fine details or reduce thickness. Applications, coins, medallions, decorative components. Embossing tool. Function, creates raised or recessed designs on sheet metal. Working, sheet is pressed between male and female dies to achieve the embossing effect. Applications, nameplates, logos, decorative panels. Press tools based on construction. Simple tool. Function, performs one operation, e.g. blanking or piercing, per stroke. Structure, consists of a single punch and die set. Applications, low volume production, simple parts. Compound tool. Function, performs two or more operations at the same station during a single stroke. Working, for example, blanking and piercing can occur simultaneously. Applications, washers, complex simple parts. Progressive tool. Function, performs multiple operations in a series at different stations in a single press stroke. Working, sheet moves progressively through the tool. At each station, a different operation is performed. Applications, high volume components, electrical connectors. Combination tool. Function, performs both cutting and non-cutting operations in a single stroke. Example, bending and piercing in one tool. Applications, parts requiring cut and bend operations together. Transfer tool. Function, used with transfer presses. The part is moved from station to station using mechanical fingers or arms. Applications, large, complex automotive components. Selection criteria for press tools. Type of operation required. Production volume, material type and thickness, accuracy and repeatability needed, tooling cost and complexity. Conclusion. Press tools are vital for high precision, high volume manufacturing in industries such as automotive, aerospace, appliances, and electronics. Choosing the correct type of tool based on their required operation and volume can significantly enhance productivity, reduce waste, and maintain quality.